In this lesson, we will see together the prepositions, but more precisely, we will see selon. So, of course, the first thing that we need to see together is what is une preposition? Well, a preposition is an invariable word which brings two words together. The second word is called complement, and it allows to specify the time, the cause, the place, the state, the manner, the purpose, or the matter. The second word can be another noun, a pronoun, an infinitive verb, or an adverb. And last but not least, remember that this complement can also be a sentence. And so this lesson is about selon. And the preposition selon translates to according to, depending on, or based on in English, depending on the context. So we will see 4 examples with selon. Selon le professeur, ce n'est pas la bonne réponse. Selon le professeur, ce n'est pas la bonne réponse. Selon la météo, il pleuvra demain. Selon la météo, il pleuvra demain. Les règles varient selon les pays. Les règles varient selon les pays. Selon moi, il devrait s'excuser. Selon moi, il devrait s'excuser.